warning to all of you guys. Guys, it's hailing, so be careful. It's going to hail in 5 minutes. Look, it hailed just right now, and I will show you. Look over there. Like, let me show you. Right over there. It hailed like crazy sounds of hailing, and this water is going inside. Look, this water is going inside because look, and did you hear that sound? Did you hear that sound?
Did you hear that sound? This is scary sound and it's scary raining.
Look, this is scary sounds, and be careful. Look, it's going to be a lot. Look, it filled the whole, like, my project. You know, I have like a mud project, something like that, but it filled that all. Crazy. Look at this. Let me show you. Look like this. They all filled it. Look, the sound is coming. Look. So I need to go, guys. I need to get ready for the storm. So goodbye.